Well, an Atlanta teenager helped design her bedroom when she was in elementary school, and now she's ready for something a little more cool. Mom and Dad okayed the redesign, so a mother and daughter and a designer are making it their project home.
At the age of 7, my daughter Caitlin helped design her bedroom. She chose the carpet, the lime green walls. Now that our middle child has turned 14, she's ready to transition into a more fun, cool, hip bedroom to get her through her teenage years.
What I don't like about my room now is the carpet. I don't like all of the 3 colors in it, and then I don't like the paint color anymore, and it's just too much of a childish look for me.
Caitlin has great taste, but we wanted the help of a professional, so we brought in designer Michael C. Morris to help us pull it all together. Hi! Come on in!
What I really want for my new room is a lounging area for me and my friends to be able to hang out in.
I totally got you covered. What we're going to be doing is removing all of the built-ins on this side of the room and creating a space for a full lounge area on this side of the room. So the plan is create a seating area, new paint, carpet, furniture, and accessories. I made a Pinterest board with a ton of ideas for your room, so let's take a look. This photo gallery is an idea that I'm bringing into your room.
It really helps to see a picture. I know it won't be exactly the same, but it really helps.
Let's get some help to get the room unloaded. Ready?
Ready?
Let's go. The next step is to take out the built-ins. You helped to design the carpet, now you get to help rip it out. You ready?
Ready.
Next step is we've got the workers coming in. They're gonna fix all the holes in the walls and make everything look pretty.
We have accomplished more than I ever imagined today, and I cannot wait to see the finished product.
I know, I can't wait to see the finished product either. Next week, you can tune in to see a cool idea for an accent wall. And we do always ask you, if you're ready to start a home improvement project in your house, you can just head over to hlntv.com/project home and let us know.
We've made a lot of progress on our daughter Caitlin's bedroom redesign. She's our middle child, she's 14. We wanted to change her room into something more teenagery so she could grow into it.
I helped design my bedroom when I was 7, but it's just too young now, and I want a new look.
We brought in designer Michael C. Morris to give the room a more sophisticated look.
So far, we've removed the built-ins, ripped up the carpet, and patched all the drywall. We're adding a decorative molding to this wall in a grid pattern. This is great because it's going to add a visual texture to the wall and also means that we don't need as much artwork for this wall. I'm ready to show you guys the ceiling color. Ready?
Yeah. We're ready.
All right, awesome. What do you think?
Wow, it's beautiful.
I love it.
This is a great way for us to be able to bring in a pop of color since we're using a neutral color in all of your bedding and on the walls. Caitlin, you've got some really great photos. So I thought what would be a fun idea is to create a gallery wall in your bedroom. So what I did is I bought some inexpensive frames and I had custom mats cut to fit all of your photos. And what this is going to do is create a really professional look for not a lot of money. Now it's time for the carpet to go down.
I'm really glad Michael is working with me and my mom because he's really fun and has good taste, and I really think the end result is going to look good.
So we've been following their story for a couple of weeks now. You may remember the teenager's new bedroom, and it's time for a big reveal. She and her mother, along with the designer, have been working to transform the room into more of a grown-up space. It's this week's Project Home.
Today's the last day of the bedroom redesign for my daughter Caitlin. My husband and I have 3 children. Caitlin's our middle child. She helped design her bedroom when she was 7, and now she's helping redesign the bedroom at the age of 14.
I definitely know what I like and don't like, and it's not pink and lime green anymore, but it's great to have some professional help.
We brought in designer Michael C. Morris to help us transform our little girl's room into a more fun, sophisticated teenage room.
So far, we've removed all the built-ins, added a decorative wall treatment, painted the room, laid new carpet, finished a framing project, and added the new chandelier. I think it'll be really fun for you guys to see the room all put together for the first time. So let's get out and let me get started.
Great.
Just a little bit closer to the wall. So that nightstand's gonna go right beside the bed here. Now that's it for our furniture. It's time to bring in the accessories, the last of the artwork, and then we're done. All right, Caitlin, welcome to your new room.
Oh my gosh, I love it.
Wow.
Do you love it, love it?
Yeah.
Oh my word, it looks so much bigger.
When I first walked into the room, I was like, wow.
So we brought you in a lounge and seating area for you and your friends.
I think the seating area is perfect. Me and my friends are gonna spend a lot of time up there and I love it.
Look at your bed, Caitlin.
I love it.
Love it.
The bed is great. I love the bedding and all the pillows. The room looks so different now. I can't wait to have my friends over so that they can see my new room.
I bet. Pretty impressive there. And if you missed any of the segments of Caitlin's bedroom transformation, you can catch them all. Just go to HLNTV.com/projecthome.